So, yun po, 1:17 AM na at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin tapos yung maakyat. Thank you, Ate Pat, sa ulan. Yan, diba? Ito ng tao. Amisi ako. Mga lalagyan. Tissue. Dito may ipopush yung sa faucet. So, pala lang after years, push.
And tighten the belt up. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt compartment above your seat. Immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits.
Tayo ng free water. The girls. Ma'am. Pero traffic kaya wag na lang. Pili ka na lang. Right. What are you looking for? Hindi tayo dyan. Kasi ano yun, papunta ng India. Ate, bye-bye!
Bye!
Hi! Saan na kaya palabas? Okay. Immigration. Domestic. Apakanan. Store. Wala pala. Wait, naka-update na kay Mother and kay Basti. Dito na tayo sa check-in. Manual check-in. This check-in, so people na yung mga bata sila, ganyan. So, kailangan of course check-in. Kasi we have to check kung pasok sa banga yung kanilang ano. So, magtatanong tayo dyan dahil hanapin ko yung zone 3. Ano ako galing kanina for the check-in. Kaya kay ate ulit. Sabi ni kuya, mamaya pa kasi yung flight ko. So, dahil mamaya pa daw yung flight mo, baka nag-check-in na ako, baka mamaya meron na namang kailangan i-changes. So, we have to recheck in again. So, we just have to stay near kasi yung L4 malapit lang. Ayan. Diba? Sige. Hayo. Hayo. Nakakatauhan. Ba't lang bacon? So, ikot-ikot lang tayo kasi hindi tayo pwede lumayo. Pwede naman lumayo, kaya lang babalik ka. Tama na lang din hindi na lumabas ng Malaysia. Dami ng tao. Time na kasi mga 8 AM. Hi! Kasi mahaba-haba pa itong paghihintay. Alright, so tutor ko muna kayo dito sa departure area sa Malaysia. Let's go! Guys, this is the entrance. Okay, so sa entrance, this is ano kasi level 3. So this is how it looks like. Yung mga Malaysian. Alright. So may mga flowers. Flowers. Okay. So this is the check-in counter. Uy, outside world! Oh my god, this is the outside world. And mga upuan. Can wait here. Ooh, love it. Ay, ang ganda! Morning, Malaysia! Dami nagpapaaraw. Ang daming naninigarilyo.